The importance of communication in customer service. Communication is not just a part of a customer service, it is the important part of customer service. That is because good customer service require listening to a customer's need and then telling them how to plan to meet those needs. In other words, communicating with your customer. Customer service communication examples. Every aspect of communication customer service is filled with communication between the customer and the company. While the most obvious customer service communication examples would be those between a customer who has a problem and the customer service agent assigned to help him. A customer does not need to reach out of need to reach to the customer support department in order to communicate with the company. Some of the many situations that involve customer service communication include when a shopper enters a store and sees price tags. This communicates with the customer must pay for an item. When a client visits a company website and reads about what service business offers. When a blank teller when a bank teller makes small talk with an account holder who is depositing a check. When a company sends an email about a data breach to those who have been affected. The result of positive communication. When you begin to recognize how frequently a company communicates with its customer, it is easy to see importance of communication skills in customer service. The benefit of good communication with customer are numerous, but they may include leaving them with a positive feeling when interact with their company, which will make them want to continue doing business with you even after they encounter problem, and reduce the livelihood that they will leave you for competitors. Letting them know that you understand the more importance of meeting customer need and are willing to do what takes to keep them happy, improve customer loyalty. Giving them peace of mind that if something goes wrong, you will do whatever it takes to fill it, which may translate to customer being willing to spend more on your product or service. Making them comfortable with bringing their problems to your attentions, which can help you rectify the issues before they negatively impact other clients or can even result in new innovations. Creating a feeling of trust by not only listening to their needs but also by being transparent with your customers about everything that may affect their experience, for pricing information and shipping delays to product recalls and data branches. Associating your brand with positive values such as transparency, honesty, and good corporate governance show you value your customer and do not take them and granted, which could result in a fee worth of month marketing when shoppers tell their friends about their experience. How to improve communications. Many companies wait until a customer contacts them before worrying about customer service. This is a mistake, as it no only focus on one or many types of communication in full customer service experience. Businesses that truly recognize the most of the communication skill in customer service instead look at all interactions with their customers and try to make each step as effective and positive as possible. When you want to improve customer service communication, do not just look at the end stage where an irate shoppers get in touch when things go wrong. Instead, try these suggestions. State at the first stage and of communication with your patron and try to do what you can to minimize the number of things that can go wrong before they happen. Clearly, label products and service so shoppers know what to expect and what not to expect. Be transparent with your prices and warranties and service limitations. Use positive language when communicating with customers, whether online in store or over the phone. Do not say we are out and we cannot send more until 15th. Instead, you could say while there are not any in stock right now, I can place your order that will ship to you on 15th. When you are aware of problems that may affect a customer, be proactive about notify them. Do not make them come to you. If something bad happen, always try to make things right for the customer, even if it cost a bit more the short term. A loyal customer is great return on investment.